Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Amplify UI components for modern web apps. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account. Navigate to the Amplify service from the console. Click on the Create App button to start a new project. Choose the web app option for your application type. Select the authentication method suitable for your app. If you opt for a backend, you can either choose an existing backend or create a new one. After setting up, you will be directed to the Amplify project dashboard. Locate the UI Components section in the Amplify Studio. Click on the Design option to start customizing your UI components. Choose from the pre-built components available, such as form inputs or buttons. Drag and drop components onto your design canvas as needed. Customize properties for each component in the right-hand panel. You can change colors, sizes, and text according to your branding. Once satisfied with your UI design, click Save to preserve your changes. Next, click on the Code tab to generate the React code for your design. Copy the generated code snippet for your main component file. Open your local development environment. Paste the code into your main component file where you want the UI to appear. Install necessary Amplify libraries in your project using npm or yarn. Run the command npm install AWS Amplify at AWS Amplify/UI-React. Import the Amplify libraries and your UI component in your JavaScript file. Ensure you configure Amplify with your AWS resources in the same file. Initialize the Amplify configuration by adding amplify.configure. Make sure to pass your configuration object to set up authentication and storage. Test your application by running it locally to ensure everything displays correctly. Finally, deploy your application to AWS Amplify by clicking the Deploy button in the console. Monitor the deployment progress until it shows as successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.